G'day folks, this is part 3 in looking at diamond inserts, and the first thing I've got to do is apologise for the quality of the photography in this video. It's pretty average, but I think it'll still get the message across. This is 6061 aluminium, which is weldable, can be anodised, just doesn't want to be machined. So that's a diamond insert at work there. You can see the depth of feed and cuts and everything on the screen just before. These cuts are very light, and the chuck is generating so much draft it's tending to blow the swarf away from the insert. Even though it's bunched up a bit there, it's not looking very good. But you can see that's not a bad finish apart from where the swarf was rubbed. Have a look on the left, look how shiny that finish is where the swarf hasn't rubbed. And that's the swarf, it's just very light swarf. And there's the turned finish. You can see it's not too bad. Here we are taking a deeper cut and a deeper cut both in turning and facing. That swarf is a lot thicker. It's not blowing away anything like it was before, although it did just then. There's the facing cut. You can see the insert reflected in the material. I thought it was going to end badly, but no, it finished off quite well. And really quite a good finish. You can see some rub marks on the turning there. But again, the face is not bad. Here we're doing the same thing again. I just wanted to try and get the exposure a little better, but I didn't. It was worse. So it's exactly the same cutting parameters, and you can see that swarf just isn't going anywhere. It's really thick, heavy, and you can see why this is a very short video. Yes, so I bought 2 pieces of this aluminium. I don't need them now. They're just scrap. So it's a right angle, just as if I'd been using a carbide insert. Thank you for watching.